into the source. Psalm 36:9 says, "You are the source of all life, and because of your light, we see the light." There are many times in life when we are spiritually undernourished and dehydrated. This is no one's fault but our own. The same way we eat physical food should be the same way we eat spiritual food daily. When you aren't plugged into the source, you cut off the circuit that gives you the spark you need. Tap into the Spirit of God daily so that you have all you need to get through each day. Not only because someone is counting on the light within you, but because being spiritually drained is not a good place to be.